Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back, Dashers. In today's video, we're going to show you mastering your DoorDash order experience on the customer side and on the driver side. If you're tired of receiving low-value orders and you want to maximize your earnings as a DoorDash driver, you in the right place. Get ready. We're going to do a deep dive into some expert tips, guys, and some strategies that's going to help you increase your order value and take your earnings to that next level. First off, let's get started by exploring the power of knowing the Doordash app. Doordash is always upselling their items in the Doordash app. So when delivering to customers, you want to make sure that you know what merchants in your area are offering all the promotions, offering all the deals, the free delivery, the, buy one, get one free, pick 2 meals, all of that. Because these going to be the merchants you want to pay close attention to when you're out there. Because if you know there's going to be promotions at certain merchants, you can place yourself in a perfect position to get them good orders. I'll give you an example. When Wendy's do a promotion, or Subway or McDonald's do a free delivery promotion, your customers are more than likely going to be placing more orders at these places. So you don't have to worry about a hot spot or a red zone, none of that. You can just head on over to the places that are offering the promotions in the DoorDash consumer app. And as a driver, you can maximize and make that money. But next, let's talk about the importance of customer service and tips. Remember, exceptional customer service goes a long way in increasing your chance of receiving a generous tip. Now, in the past, you might not have thought you'd get a tip after the fact, but now on DoorDash, you can get a tip after the fact. So you want to make sure you're being friendly, polite, and professional during each delivery. Don't think that they ain't paying attention, because they is. Me, myself, I probably got about $30 in additional tips on Uber Eats and DoorDash in the last week. Make sure you out there maximizing. A happy customer is more likely to show their appreciation through a tip, so make sure you provide the best service possible, guys. Additionally, keep an eye out for promotions and discounts offered on the platform. That way, like I said, you can keep an eye out for the special deals, items, the promotional times, all of that. Because if you're familiar with what's going on the customer side, you can put yourself in the best position to give them the best customer service. You feel what I'm saying? So let's get into the next one. Now, you can also take it one step further, and you can take a look at the suggested items and the most popular and best-selling items on the menu. That way, many customers, they take a look at these, and that's going to be one of the first things they decide to order when they just trying to order something quick, or they not trying to spend a whole bunch of money. Maybe they're trying to save a few bucks. They're going to be going after these suggested and promotional items. So if you know what merchants in your area are doing that, you can put yourself in a perfect position to be first in line to pick up that order. Now, look, lastly, I want to talk about the advantages of joining the catering programs. Not only DoorDash catering program, but using Delivered and Delivered That. Catering orders tend to be larger and more profitable. We all know that. Offers coming from the catering programs usually have excellent opportunity to increase your earnings. Partnering with the local restaurants or partnering with the catering apps within the apps the catering portion of the apps that you already using could actually be, or like some meal prepping services that offer catering options. Those can provide a steady stream of high quality orders, high value, high quality catering orders. And these catering orders can not only boost your earnings, but they can also offer a chance to showcase your skills and your reliability as an efficient driver. So you want to make sure that you're taking advantage and getting into these catering programs, guys. Now look, by utilizing these techniques that I showed you in this video, you're going to be providing exceptional customer service, right? You're going to be encouraging your customers to give you more tips, not, verbally or manually, but passively encouraging them to increase them tips when you're out there doing the job. You're going to take advantage of the promotions. You're going to be aware of what promotions are going on in your area. You're going to be aware of all the special deals and all the special opportunities on the customer side, so that when you step out into your market, you know who offering what places are most likely to have the most influx of orders. You're just going to be ready to go on all fronts. And look, make sure that you steady perfecting your art of getting the best kind of orders when it comes to DoorDash. Now, you can take these tips and apply them across the board, but specifically for DoorDash, I think it's real important that if you implement these things, you can really start to increase your earnings over time. Now, are you going to just 10x your money overnight? Maybe not. Probably not. But every day, if you start to implement these things and, keep track of who offering the promotions, and you hitting up DoorDash support trying to get into that catering program, you're going to put yourself in a better position to earn more money in 2023. And And really, it's about earning the most money, but it's about maximizing while you out there. You want to make sure that you earning more money than the dasher next to you. And if you use these tips, you can hit them goals and you can hit them quicker. Now look, if you like this video, make sure you hit me with a like and a subscribe, y'all. Go ahead, hook me up. I'm dropping all these gems on you, giving you all these jewels, showing you how to get out there and maximize. Go ahead, get to it. And look, I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button for your boy.
Really, nigga?